Torrential slide value equivalent to 234.62 rands a coin. The present cost range, 231.17 - 239.07. The earlier day close, 235.63. The change was 1.01. 0.43%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost 244 rands, high 261, low 227. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, August 4, cost 241 rands, high 258, low 224. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost 239 rands, high 256, low 222. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost 241 rands, high 258, low 224. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost 232 rands, high 248, low 216. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, August 14, cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost 228 rands, high 244, low 212. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost 229 rands, high 245, low 213. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost 220 rands, high 235, low 205. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 22, cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost 208 rands, high 223, low 193. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, August 24, cost 206 rands, high 220, low 192. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 25, cost 198 rands, high 212, low 184. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, August 28, cost 198 rands, high 212, low 184. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost 209 rands, high 224, low 194. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 30, cost 228 rands, high 244, low 212. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost 222 rands, high 238, low 206. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, September 1, cost 220 rands, high 235, low 205. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 171 rands, excessive cost 171. While low cost 141, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 159, torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 152, change for December 11.1%, torrential slide figure for January 2024, initially cost at 152 rands, excessive cost 162, while low cost 140, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 151, torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 151, change for January 0.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 151 rands, excessive cost 163, while low cost 141. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 152. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 152, change for February 0.7%. Torrential slide figure for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 152 rands, excessive cost 152, while low cost 129. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 143. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 139. Change for spring 8.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 139 rands. Excessive cost 172. While low cost 139. They found the middle value of cost 153. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 161. Change for April 15.8%. Torrential slide estimate for May 2024. In the first place cost at 161 rands. Exorbitant cost 175. While low cost 153. They found the middle value of cost 163. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 164. Change for May 1.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at 164 rands. Exorbitant cost 179. While low cost 155. They found the middle value of cost 166. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 167. Change for June 1.8%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2024. To start with cost at 167 rands. Exorbitant cost 202. While low cost 167. They found the middle value of cost 181. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 189. Change for July 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at 189 rands. Exorbitant cost 193. While low cost 167. They found the middle value of cost 182. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 180. Change for August 4.8%. Torrential slide estimate for September 2024. To start with cost at 180 rands. Exorbitant cost 196. While low cost 170. They found the middle value of cost 182. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 183. Change for September 1.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at 183 rands. Excessive cost 227. While low cost 183. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 201. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 212. Change for October 15.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 212 rands. Excessive cost 230. While low cost 200. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 214. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 215. Change for November 1.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at 215 rands. Excessive cost 233. While low cost 203. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 217. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 208.